Hello, my dear friends. I'm Stanislav Shamaev, a licensed business immigration and corporate attorney in Miami, Florida. In today's video, we're going to be discussing the E2 visa for the business of car rental. At the end of this video, you will be able to learn how to get a free evaluation of your E2 case. Let's go. Let's talk about car rental business. And surprise, surprise, I got a few approvals for car rental businesses in the past for E2 visa. I know exactly how to get that done. But let's start from the beginning. What is E2 visa? Is the visa for the countries that signed a treaty agreement with the US. If you don't know whether your country is a part of that treaty, all you need to do is go to google.com and put in the search E2 treaty countries. And the very first link is going to lead you to the list of those countries. Look for your country over there. If it's there, hallelujah, congratulations, you're good to start thinking about this visa or maybe even applying for it. If your country is not a part of the treaty agreement, this is bad news for you. Start thinking about alternatives like L1 visa, maybe O1 visa, maybe EB2 national interest waiver visa. Look for those videos on my channel and see if you qualify and also get a free evaluation from me on those visas. Criteria number 2 is the business in the US. You have two options: either start up a new business or purchase an existing business. Both options are viable. And of course, if we speak about car rental business, you can buy one or you can start one. This is very easy. 3, amount of money you will be investing in your car rental business. And of course, I want you to invest at least $100,000. Yes, we can go a little bit lower than that, but the golden number, the one that I like, is 100K plus. It doesn't have to be 100K, it could be 200K, it could be 300K, it could be $90,000. All right, but everything above 100K is a good shot. It's something that we are willing to work with and get you approved for E2 visa. Next, we want to see that you spent at least 60 to 70% of your investment on the business needs. And of course, I'm more talking about the new business, because if you buy an existing, you basically spend the whole investment on purchasing that business, and that's fine, okay? Anything about 100K is good. And for car rental business, it's a really, really easy spending. All you need to do is just to buy the cars. Maybe you have a little office, maybe you have a little parking lot, maybe you have a website, maybe you have social media accounts, some marketing spending, and that's it. That's more than enough. So let's say you buy 6 cars for $10,000. We spent $60,000. You rented a little office with a parking lot next to it. You spend $5,000 the first month, $5,000 the last month, and $5,000 the security deposit, so $15,000. Altogether, already $75,000. You put some furniture, some computers, you bought some software, that's another maybe $7,000, and we are at about $82,000. With 6 cars, each $10,000, we can easily spend 100K with the blink of an eye. And this is good, because that's what we want to see in your with your business. Next, we need to prove that the money that you spent on your business is clean. We can show how you made that money, that you paid the taxes on that money, how you transferred the money between your accounts before they came to your business checking account in the US. This is a very important criterion, okay? Last but not least is a business plan. Of course, it's more necessary for the purpose of the new business, because there's nothing which is starting the operations. However, even for the existing business, sometimes I ask my clients to do a small business plan to show how we see the scale and growth of that business, how we're gonna spend the money, how many people we're gonna hire, how much taxes we're gonna pay, and things like that. Once we have all that, your treaty passport, the business, the amount of money, the spending of that money, the business plan, and the proof of funds. We are ready to draft the memorandum for your case and file it with the embassy of your country. Yes, we can change your status if you are here in the US and you came without the intent to change your status, but I do like to file E2 visa directly through the embassy because that way you will be getting a visa. Once you have a visa, you will be free to come and leave the States and do the business and bring your spouse, and the spouse will have a work permit, so he or she will be able to work in the States, not necessarily in your company, but maybe in any other company, and start their own business. And very important, your kids who are below 21 years old and who are not married will be able to go to American school for free. So this is a great benefit because not all visas allow the spouses to work and kids go to American school for free in a combination. So make sure that you use the advantages of this visa correctly. Stanislav, how do I know if I qualify? Well, I have a special process in my company. It's called a free evaluation. That is in the link under this video. All right, so find a free evaluation link to your E2 visa, click on it, a landing is gonna open, fill out the form, answer all the questions, and within 48 hours, I will get back to you and tell you, hey John, hey Julie, you have a qualification for this visa. I see the potential in getting that approved. So now let's meet at the complex immigration planning, the unique service that my company offers among all immigration law firms. You gonna meet with two people, with a data manager who's gonna collect all the information from you and pass it on to me, and then you meet with me after I analyzed your situation in depth and drafted the initial strategy of filing your case. On the second phase of complex immigration planning, you and me are going to discuss what's happening with your case, what needs to be improved, what kind of paperwork we need to provide, the whole process, the timing, the prices, everything you want. And once we finish, you get your strategy, you get a list of documents, and you may get an offer to hire our company because I do not extend this offer to everybody. I extend it only to those who I see will get approved. So don't miss this opportunity. Smash that like button for the video if you liked it. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't yet. And subscribe to my Instagram, my TikTok, my Facebook, my Twitter, all the links below this video. I'm Stanislav Shamaev, a lawyer of the future. Your future begins here. Good luck.